How to hide and unhide apps on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go on your home screen, tap hold on the app that you want to hide, and in the menu that appears, you will see the option for require Face ID. So tap on the require Face ID option you see there, and in the pop-up that appears, you will see two options, that is require Face ID and the other option is hide and require Face ID. So in order to hide the app, simply tap on the hide and require Face ID option you see there, and you will then be required to enter your Face ID. And in the confirmation that appears, tap on the hide app option you see there, and with this, as you can see, the app has been hidden. And now, in order to be able to see the hidden apps, simply go to the end of your app library, and in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the hidden tab. Tap on that and you will be required to enter your Face ID. So enter your Face ID, and in the interface that you will then be led to, you will be able to view all the hidden apps. So simply tap hold on the apps that you want to unhide and you will see the option for don't require Face ID. Tap on that and you will be required to enter your Face ID again for confirmation. And with this, as you can see, I can now view the app in my app library, which means the app has been hidden. You can then tap hold on the app and then move it to your home screen if required, as unhidden apps are directly moved to app library and is not visible on your home screen. So this was about how you can unhide hidden apps on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.